हेलो फ्रेंड्स आज आम 2025 बीएड साइंस रे आसीथिबा क्वेश्चन गुड़ा करबा से आमको फिजिकल साइंस एवं बायोलॉजिकल साइंस रो सब क्वेश्चन देखा पड़ो टोटाल 40 टी क्वेश्चन तो आम डिस्कशन करबा। नंबर 1, two equal masses are attached to the two ends of a spring of a spring constant K. The masses are pulled out symmetrically to stretch the spring by length x over its natural length. The work done by the spring on each mass each our answer haba 1 by 4th kx square. तापर 2 number, an empty plastic box of mass m is found to accelerate up at the rate g by 6 when placed deep inside water. How much sand should be put inside the box so that it may accelerate down at rate of g by 6? Your answer about 2 meter by 5. Number 3. A person going away from a factory on his scooter at a speed 36 km per hour. Listen to the siren of the factory. If the main frequency of the siren is 600 Hz and a wind is blowing along the direction of the scooter at 36 km per hour, the main frequency as shared by the person is 583 Hz. Monochromatic light of wavelength 600 nanometer is used in Young's double slit experiment. One of the slits is covered by a transparent sheet of thickness 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter, made up of a material of refractive index 1.6. The number of fingers will shift due to the introduction of the sheet is 18. Number 5. A hemispherical bowl of radius r is filled with liquid of density v. The frequency at the bottom center of the bowl due to the liquid is Pgr. The number 6. A charge q is placed at the center of a cube. The flux of the electric field through the six surface of the the cube is. Number B. Answer q by 0 plus to 0. Number 7. A uniform wire of resistance 50 ohm is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are now connected in parallel. The equivalent resistance of the combination is 2 ohm. Then number 8. An electric current I enters and leaves a uniform circular wire of radius a through diametrically opposite points. A charged particle q moving along the axis of the circular wire passes through its center at speed v. The magnetic force acting on the particle when it passes through the center has magnitude. Number 8 answer 0. तो जहाँ भी आप करते से मिल दिंतु आप ठीक अच्छे कि भूल अच्छे क्वेश्चन तो फिजिकल साइंस टे हार्ड पड़ता है तो देखी नवा आंसर कौन अच्छे। ए डायमेटिक गैस which equal 1.4 does 200 joule of work when it is expanded isobarically. Then heat given to the gas in the process is 700 joule. The two rails of a railway track insulated from each other and from the ground are connected to a millivoltmeter. The vertical component of Earth's magnetic field is 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 4t at rails are separated by 1 meter. The reading of the millivoltmeter when the train travels on the track at a speed of 180 km per hour is. Answer number D. One who millimeter, no, 1 millimeter. How many possible combination number 11 of a quantum number are there for the n cell? तो यार आंसर हम 32 n cell combination. Then number 12, among the following molecules, which one has the highest dipole moment? कार dipole moment highest अच्छी. आंसर हम CH2Cl2. Which species has unpaired electron? O2 minus. आ भितर हार्ड एसिड के पचार 14 नंबर लिथियम प्लस Li प्लस. 15 नंबर बोर्स मॉडल कैन एक्सप्लेन. बोर्स मॉडलटा कौन एक्सप्लेन करे? स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम ओनली. द होमो ऑफ CO इज it have a pi at1D. 17 number in the reaction 4P plus 3KOH plus 3H2O tends to 3KH2PO2 plus BH3. ଏଥିରେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି? ଫସ୍ଫରଟା ଅକ୍ସିଡାଇଜ୍ ହେଇଛି ନା ରିଡକ୍ସନ୍ ହେଇଛି? ତ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ସି, ଫସ୍ଫରସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ବୋଥ୍ ଅକ୍ସିଡାଇଜ୍ଡ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରିଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ଡ. Number 18, in which of the following carbon hydrogen bond the highest S character is found? S character कोड अधिक पाइबा एसिटाइलिन. परक्लोरिक एसिड हाज ये सब आंसर ही रंग देती. तो यार करेक्ट आंसर हम 8 लोन पेयर, 5 sigma bond and 3 pi bond. 20, if the energy of two photons are in the ratio of 3:2, their wavelength will be in the ratio of. Correct answer is B, 2:3. यार आंसर ही आज ही सब देखुली. आपण मैंने भी देखी था आपंकर जब सब करेक्ट अच्छी तो बहुत भल कथा ना माइनस मार्किंग रे कटि जाए. नंबर 21, प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल डू नॉट हैव माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. Sandwich model of a plasma membrane was proposed by Daniel and Davison. G2 phase of cell cycle occurs between M phase and S phase. Which one is said to have a semi-autonomous nature? Answer D, chloroplast. The family Xanthophyces belongs to. Answer A, algae. And number 26, the sporophyte of dash is devoid of seta. We have answer Riccia. Which statement is wrong about gymnosperms? The answer is in most cases endosperms develops after fertilization. Which one is not a resemblance between bryophytes and pterodiphytes? Gymnophyte is the dominant independent generation. Number 29, which is not a renewable energy source. आ भितर कोटा रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सोर्स अटे तो कोटा सरीजीव सरती तो फसिल फ्यूल. Number 30, regarding biological resource, the number of species per unit area is called species. तो ये डाइवर्सिटी मारिदेवानी. ये बायोडाइवर्सिटी अच्छे कि richness and answer richness. In relation to energy flow in an ecosystem, PR refers to PR photosynthetically active radiation. Answer A. The consumers that feed on the herbivores are called. The consumer that feed on the herbivores. इटर आंसर कौन हम आप देखिए जापारे निहती भाव यहाँ बहुत इजी थिला. तो आपण मैंने ठीक करते ये छाड़ दे. तो combustion of fossil fuel, mining and industries are the main source of. तो जानते fossil fuel द्वारा आमर कौन pollution है? एयर pollution. The most significant contributor to water pollution human interference is agriculture. The maintenance process of living organisms go on every time and together. They are called life process. और सेट नंबर डी पड़ी थिला. तो आपण मानकर जदि सेट डी अच्छे तो सीरियल वाइज जापर ना କେଉଁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନଟା କାହାପରେ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିକି ନିଜ क्वेश्चन पेपर चेक करने। The compounds that are utilized for providing energy to the plants are called carbohydrates. The substance that is secreted by gastric gland and protects the inner lining of the stomach from the action of the hydrochloric acid under normal condition is mucus. In yeast, the pyruvate is converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide under anaerobic condition. 39. Rings and cartilage of throat ensure that the air passage does not collapse. Answer C. Rings and cartilage. During daytime, when the stomata are open, the major driving force in the movement of water in the xylem is correct answer A. Transpiration flow. कहला हमारा बायोलॉजिकल साइंस एंड फिजिकल साइंस 2025 पेड साइंस क्वेश्चन आंसर ଆପଣ ଚେକ୍ କରିନେବେ। ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ମ୍ୟାଥର ଏବଂ ପାର୍ଟ 3 ର ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ